So I just brewed the coffee. It only took like 2 minutes. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Hot and fresh. Okay, I'm liking my new coffee pot. Thank you, Amazon.
Was restored, right? Well, when I first got him, he was in good shape. But about every 2 to 3 years, he would go through a restoration. They're built of materials that begin to decompose. Yes. And I remember 1 year coming.
This is a 411. That little coffee pot that I ordered, it's great. You just throw the coffee in it. I promise you. Makes a perfect little cup, one little scoop. It's done. Pull the thing out, rinse it out, and you good. I work 12 hours a day. It makes it easy. I love this little coffee maker. Thank you. You will too.
Alright, this is a perfect little coffee pot for one. See how it comes apart. This is the little basket to put your coffee in. Here is the cup that holds it. You take them all apart for washing. Do hate that you can't actually take this off so you can turn it upside down and let it dry. But otherwise, perfect little kit for one.
stand here just to get it to boil and then turn it down. I see this coffee pot ending up on its side, so what's going to happen? The bottom's not flat. It's brand new. Just got it. Received it yesterday. Opened it this morning, and this is what I picked. So no, I wouldn't say 5 stars.
As you can see, there's 3 holes right there. Drips all the way down onto the counter, onto the base. Definitely keeps the coffee hot, but not happy that I have coffee all over my counter. Does anyone else have this issue?
I've ran water through it already, and I've got it ready for the morning. I love it so much because it's 14 ounces. I guess it's not that big. It's about this. It's the size of a cup in the gas station. Whereas when I started drinking coffee, I was filling up a cup this big, and I'm over it. All I want is a nice, small, strong cup of coffee, and this is perfect.
Hi Karin, hi. Guess what? It's a tea machine. Surprise?